Is your Ring doorbell stubbornly refusing to connect to Wi-Fi, leaving you with a smart home that feels, well, not so smart? Don't worry, we're here to help. This video will guide you through troubleshooting steps to get your Ring doorbell back online and secure in your home. First, let's check the most common culprit: Wi-Fi signal strength. Use your smartphone to check the Wi-Fi signal near your Ring doorbell. If you only have 1 or 2 bars, your doorbell might be too far from your router. Consider moving your router closer to the doorbell or investing in a Wi-Fi extender to boost the signal strength. A stronger signal can make all the difference. Next, double-check that you're entering the correct Wi-Fi password in the Ring app. Even a small typo can prevent the doorbell from connecting. Re-enter the password carefully and ensure caps lock isn't on. If the password is correct and the signal is strong, your router might be the issue. Try restarting your router by unplugging it from the power outlet, waiting 30 seconds, and then plugging it back in. Still no luck? It might be time to reset your Ring doorbell. Locate the reset button, usually on the back or bottom of the device. Press and hold the reset button for about 20-30 seconds. Finally, make sure your Ring doorbell's firmware is up to date. Open the Ring app and check for any available updates. Outdated firmware can sometimes cause connectivity problems. By following these steps, you should be able to fix most Wi-Fi connectivity issues with your Ring doorbell. Now you can enjoy a fully functional and secure smart home.